I'm just going to change the whole injector because you cannot change one. Come with the whole rail. You see how I'm doing it?
Yeah.
So I got to change. You could change individual, but I'm just going to change the whole thing.
All right, Joe Beermaster here. We have a what size engine?
1.5.
Joe Beermaster here. We have a 1.5 Chevy engine, and this is
Malibu.
on a
Nice
Malibu.
Very good engine. Very good on gas.
It was misfiring, so we checked the compression. We checked for spark. So now we figure it is...
One of the injectors not firing.
That's right.
So we're going to put I've changed the whole rail.
Change the whole rail and see if that fires it up. There may be a clog in there.
Yeah.
So we have an extra rail here sitting around. So it's usually one of the three things.
So either it's the spark plug, either it's the coil or injector.
So we put the compression gauge on each cylinder, and it showed that each cylinder was strong. So we're going to
Looks like they're firing.
change the rail.
Let's see what happens. Do that one.
How much is that fuel rail new?
Huh?
How much is the fuel rail new?
Oh, I don't know.
A couple hundred?
Yeah, at least.
All right, so now we're going to start it up to see if it works. Letting the fuel build up a little bit.
The fuel, the air's in it, fuel.
Let it run, get the air out.
Where's it starting?
5 minutes later.